Over the past few years, I've generated over $1.7 million in sales from my own online brand through the dropshipping model, and I helped dozens of complete beginners do the exact same thing. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create organic dropshipping content on TikTok and on Instagram that actually converts viewers into paying customers without you needing to spend any money on ads. The same strategy I use with this TikTok page where I promoted my dropshipping product journals. I was able to turn these 21,000 followers into over $500,000 in profits in just 2 years. This video won't be just another post 3 times a day and hope for the best tutorial from someone who's never actually done it themselves. I'm actively running branded dropshipping stores right now and using this strategy to get sales daily. So if you're tired of posting content that gets views but zero sales, or you've been watching all these dropshipping guru talk about paid ads when you don't have thousands of dollars to burn on Facebook ads, then this video is for you. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. If you do not have the attention span to watch this full video and actually apply what I'm teaching, you might as well click off now. But if you're serious about building a real online brand that makes you money without paid ads, watch this video all the way through and take notes. If you're new here, we only start branded dropshipping stores, okay? We don't do traditional dropshipping stores. This difference right here is huge. With branded dropshipping, you can get sales for free as opposed to traditional dropshipping where you are forced to run hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in ads. You are also able to build a long-term brand with branded dropshipping, giving you more opportunities and long-term sales. Finally, with a branded dropshipping store, you are building an asset that you can sell just like how I sold my store for 6 figures. Like any business, for it to be successful, you need sales. For branded dropshipping, that 100% comes down to your social media/content creation approach. What is the foundation to a good social media strategy? Well, most people have this backwards. They think it is about fancy editing or equipment when really it's all about understanding the psychology of your audience. Ask yourself, what content should you create to attract your audience buying your product? What does good social media content actually mean? Let me tell you this, it is not about going viral. It is not about the follower count. It's about creating content that makes people want to buy from you. For example, this video right here got over 10,000 views and generated 11 sales for me. But this video got less than 2,000 views but generated 12 sales. So now how did I do this? Well, let me break down the exact content strategy for your branded dropshipping store step by step so you can replicate exactly what I do. Step 1, you need to understand your content pillars. So what are content pillars and why do you need them? These are 3 to 5 categories of content that you're going to cycle through. For dropshipping brand, this typically includes product demos, lifestyle content, educational content, behind the scenes, and user-generated content style videos. Now, why does this matter? Because posting random content confuses the algorithm and your audience. So how do you choose your pillars based on your product? Well, if you're selling skincare, for example, your pillars might be morning routines, product results, ingredient educations, debunking myth, or days in the lives. The goal is for each of these pillars to serve a purpose in the buyer's journey. Some content builds awareness, some builds trust, and some drives direct sales. Step 2, the content creation workflow. Phase 1, you're gonna have research and ideation. Go to TikTok and Instagram, search for your competitors and brands in your niche. Save 20 to 30 videos that are performing well, so high engagement, lots of comments of people asking where to buy. Then analyze what makes them work. The hook, the pacing, the CTA, the visual style. Now this is super important. You are not copying, you are learning patterns of what converts. It's okay to take inspiration, but never copy someone exactly. You have to add your own twist to everything. Phase 2, script and structure your videos. Every converting video follows a formula. First, there's the hook, which is the first 3 seconds. This stops the scroll. It's basically a pattern interruption or a bold statement or immediate value value that you add to your viewers. Then there's the body, the middle, so 15 to 30 seconds of the video. Show the product in action, demonstrate value, tell a micro story. Then there's the CTA, the last 3 to 5 seconds of the video. Tell them exactly what to do. So link in bio, shop now, or follow for more. Phase 3, filming and editing. Let me tell you something. I started my first online brand 10 years ago and I launched my social media accounts probably like 5 to 6 years ago. Do you know when I started investing in equipment? This year. Literally 2026, before I was doing everything from my phone. So trust me when I say this, if you have a phone, you have everything you need to make a lot of money selling products online. You don't need expensive equipment. Your phone camera is more than enough. Now, lighting does matter, so just use natural light or just get a ring light from Amazon. Those are less than $50. For editing style, fast cuts, trending sounds, and text overlays is really what gets views nowadays. I want you to pay attention to the videos on the screen right now. Pay attention to the text. Pay attention to the clean cuts. Pay attention to everything that makes the video go viral. The editing format, what they're saying, the fast cuts, the voiceovers, literally everything. If you're not creating content like this, you are not gonna get any sales, okay? Things are very, very different now. A few years ago, a basic video would have worked. Now you need a lot of nice things going on the screen. Step 3, posting strategy and optimization. When it comes to your posting frequency, I want to see a minimum of 1 to 3 videos per day on your TikTok and repost it to your Instagram Reels. Why? Because the algorithm only rewards consistency. Let's say you own TikTok. Are you gonna reward the girl that posts once a week? No, you're gonna reward the person that's posting at least once a day. No algorithm is gonna push a creator's video if you're only posting once a week. You need to post consistently every single day, especially when you're just starting out. This is a business, not a hobby, so treat it like one. Now, when is the best time to post? So here's a general guideline. Post when your target audience is active. For most niches, early mornings, like 6 to 9 a.m. or lunchtime, which is 12 to 2 p.m., or evening 7 to 10 p.m. is when the content is best. But more importantly, test different times and track your analytics. Now, how do you know what's working? Pay attention to watch time and completion rate. This matters way more than views. The formula is very simple. If people are watching your full video, the algorithm will push it to more people. Also, make sure to track which video drives the most profile visits and link clicks. Those videos are your winners. Then double down on what works. If a style of a video drives sales, make 10 times more of these. Step 4, the conversion bridge, getting viewers to buyers. You have to optimize your profile for conversions. Your bio needs to be crystal clear. What you sell, why they should care, where to buy, everything should be there. Now, this is super important. The link in your bio should go directly to your product page, not a landing page, not a link tree with 10 options, the product page. When it comes to your story highlights, show proof. So customer reviews, results, your product, your process, all of that. Next, when it comes to using stories on Instagram or TikTok, use them strategically. Post daily stories showing behind the scenes, restocks, customer reviews, and limited time offers. Stories keep you top of mind and drives repeat visits to your profile. Use the link sticker to drive traffic directly to your product page. Responding to comments and DMs. Please answer your clients, okay? These are your buyers. Make sure to answer every single question you get. Every comment is an opportunity. Respond to all of them within the first hour. Engagement signals the algorithm that your video is worth pushing. DMs are where you close sales. When someone asks about your product, make it easy for them to buy. Step 5, scaling what works. Once you find a winning video format, create variations of it. Same concept, different hook or angles. Remix with different trending sounds. Test it on both platforms. What works on TikTok might also do really well on Instagram. Next, building a content library. Batch film content. Shoot 10 to 15 videos in one session. A lot of people think I film every single day. No, I would literally lose my mind. I film maybe 3 times a week, and that content lasts me for at least 2 weeks. Doing this will really give you a buffer so you're not scrambling daily on what content to post. Consistency is genuinely what's gonna get you results. You cannot post one time, give up, disappear from social media, and expect results. That is not how it works. The same way, you are not gonna get a cent from your online business unless you actually show up. Consistency is everything, and so is delayed gratification. So now, when do you actually expand beyond organic content? Once you're consistently getting sales from your organic content, then consider paid ads. But paid ads should amplify what's already working, not fix bad content. Just know that everyone starts with bad content. It is completely normal. It is a learning curve. Just like anything else in life, you're only gonna get better at something if you practice. The key is to keep posting and keep improving. So this is exactly how to create organic dropshipping content that actually converts browsers into buyers without spending a dime on ads. You now have the complete blueprint why branded dropshipping beats traditional dropshipping, why your social media is your business, and the exact step-by-step content strategy that's generated over $1.7 million in sales from my brands. If you're not already making your first sales for your own online brand, I have something for you. I am hosting a free live training where I'm gonna teach you exactly how to launch your own online business from A to Z. If you wanna join my next free live training, click the first link in the description box and I'll be happy to teach you. I really hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.